Hello guys, welcome to this series of Canva. In this series, I'm gonna be teaching you everything that you need to learn for Canva. Okay, so let's start. Canva is used for beautiful designs. Okay, and let me tell you what Canva basically is. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. Okay, and now the question arises that what all can we make on Canva? Okay, so this question is solved. We can make a lot of things on Canva. Okay, so let me just tell you some of them. Book covers, event invitations, YouTube thumbnails, shop covers, icons, business cards, infographic resumes, gift certificates, yearbook covers, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, any kind of social media posts. You can create all of these things using one solution, and that is Canva. Okay, so now the question is that who need to learn Canva? That do you really need to learn it? Yes. You need to learn it if you are a YouTuber, you own a Facebook account or a Facebook page, an Instagram page, Instagram account, or if you are a freelancer. Yes, you heard right. You can learn Canva and use it for even freelancing. I personally know one of them. He is making all of his projects using Canva. He's a graphic designer and he did not waste time on other softwares where you need to go into depth. This Canva is quick, so he is using Canva for his projects as well. Okay, so now the question is that what are the benefits of Canva? There are many benefits. Okay, it's easy to use, anyone can use it, all type of graphics can be made, and it do not take much time. It is very quick. Once you have learned, you can create your projects, your thumbnail, your Facebook ad, your Facebook post, your Instagram post, or anything without wasting time. You can create these in few steps, in few clicks actually. They will only take you 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so this is very helpful. So without wasting time, let's jump into the further lessons. I've created many episodes on Canva and move on with this series. Okay, so subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and move to the first episode of Canva series right next video. Thank you very much for watching.